Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will look into how to embed the chatbot on your website and the options that we have to embed the chatbot. To begin, let's access the chatbot lobby from the left navigation bar. Select the relevant chatbot and head over to Embed Designer. We have three options for embedding your chatbot. Widget onload. This automatically opens in the bottom of your page where your visitors can interact with the chatbot as soon as the embedded web page loads. Then we have widget on click. This opens up in the bottom of your page when your visitors go ahead and trigger the widget by clicking on it, and they would have the option to start the interaction with the chat. Then we have the Lightbox on click, which opens in the center of your screen, gives your visitors a focused and centered experience while interacting with the chatbot. This chatbot is also triggered when it is clicked on. The design settings are same for all the three types of embed. You have the option to select the color to match the appearance of your web page. You do have the option for the chatbot icon, which would appear on the side while interacting with your clients. Then you can name the chatbot and the company. And this chatbot launcher, which would be the one on the bottom of your page. The shape of that can be changed as well. And then you have the launcher icon. So these are the options for customization of the chatbot. Once you are ready with the chatbot design, click on Get the Widget Code and copy and close. Let's head over to the web page. You would have the option to embed the code. And once the code is embedded, your chatbot would be ready to be used on the web page there and ready to interact. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.